Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an amazing aloe vera recipe with you guys. It's a complete aloe vera facial. But if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. I'm going to move in straight with the recipe. I'm going to firstly show you guys how to get the gel out of the aloe vera leaf. Over here I've got some fresh aloe vera. And I'm just going to start off by cutting it into small pieces. Aloe vera is amazing for the skin. It's super moisturizing. It repairs skin damage, treats dark spots and acne scars, and it is also anti-aging. So I would highly recommend including this in your skincare routine. All I'm doing is just cutting off the sides of the aloe vera, and now I'm trying to thinly slice one layer of the aloe vera skin off to expose that really nice gel. Now what you can do is you can either scoop the gel out and blend it up, but what I'm doing here is I'm just chopping it up into really fine pieces, and then I'm just going to scoop it out and use it just like that. It's up to you if you want to blend it up or not, but it doesn't really make a big difference. As you can see, the gel is really nice and jelly-like, and it is now ready to use. You can also use bottled up aloe vera for this, facial if you need. I'm going to start off by making my cleanser. All you need is some raw milk and aloe vera gel. And as you can see, I'm using the bottled up aloe vera here. This is 92% aloe vera, and then it's got some preservatives in it. And milk is amazing because it contains lactic acid, which helps cleanse the skin of excess oil and dirt, which clog the pores. So all you're going to do is start off with a clean face and apply that mixture that we just made with the milk to the skin, and you're just going to gently massage the skin. It's not like a foamy cleanser, but this actually really helps cleanse the skin because of the lactic acid. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to make the scrub or the exfoliant. The main ingredient is Jaggery, and Jaggery is a form of sugar, and I'm going to mix it with pink Himalayan salt crystals. Jaggery contains glycolic acid, which is amazing to get rid of acne scars and wrinkles. And when combined with the salt, it's a great exfoliant because the salt helps balance the pH. Now this over here is enough for my entire body, and all I'm going to do is apply it to my clean face, and I'm actually going to start massaging this mixture on my face. If you guys have sensitive skin, maybe just massage a small area and see how you react before you massage too roughly, because of the Jaggery is quite gentle on the skin, but because of the salt it can be a little bit harsh if you're not used to it. And all I'm going to do is massage my face for about 5 minutes. This is amazing for exfoliating the skin and getting rid of all that dead skin cells to expose really smooth and soft skin. Another thing I do with this mixture is I apply it all over my lips, and I actually really massage it into my lips because it gets rid of all that dead skin on the lips. It's also amazing for the hands and the body. And here I'm moving on to the actual facial mask. So the main ingredient of my mask is obviously that fresh aloe vera that I extracted before. And what I'm adding is Almond Meal to this. This is just almonds crushed up. You can crush them up at home as well. And almonds are amazing because they're high in vitamin B and E and are amazing at giving the skin a plumpness and glow. What I'm adding to that is some raw honey, which is antibacterial, and the juice of about half a lemon. Lemon is amazing as well because it's really brightening to the skin. But if you're sensitive to lemon, maybe just add some orange juice, and that will help brighten the skin as well. The last ingredient I'm going to add after I mix this entire mixture up is some raw turmeric. And make sure you don't get the turmeric that has anything added, otherwise it will literally stain your face yellow. But turmeric is amazing at reducing acne and acne scarring and really clearing the skin. All I'm going to do now is mix this up really well, and we are ready to go. Before I apply the mask for my facials, I like to steam my face. This is just a hot water with a little bit of Actually, this is just a pot with a little bit of hot water in it. And all I'm going to do is steam my face for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to clean off the excess water from my face before I apply my mask. And the best thing about this mask is because of the Almond Meal, you can actually use it to gently exfoliate your skin as well. So I recommend actually massaging your face really nicely as you apply this mask, and that will give you a complete facial at home because you've got your steam and your face massage and your mask and everything. All I'm now doing is applying it to my face. Obviously, you need to apply it to your neck. You can also apply this mixture to your hands or feet. Lastly, I'm showing you guys a really easy moisturizer. All you need is some aloe vera gel, rose water, and vitamin E oil. This is kind of like the glow serum I've got on my channel from maybe a year ago. And what you can do is you can store this in a container and use it every night to get the best looking skin, guys. When you're done with your facial, all you need to do is clean your skin and apply your moisturizer. And you don't need to wash your skin off. Just go to bed. Your skin will look amazing straight away and also the next day. I can't believe how plump and clear this facial makes my skin. And I hope you guys all try this recipe out. It's super easy, guys, and it's all natural. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all try it out. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.